Hello everyone! We will make a cute giraffe. Take a yellow paper, draw some brown dots on it. Now fold it and then stick it. Paste some leaves. Paste a yellow round paper. Make its ears and stick it. Draw its eyes, nose and its mouth and your cute beautiful giraffe is ready. Next, take these sticks and make a square frame. To that, put broad sellotape over it as we are doing. Now, using the clay, we will make the stems and the grass as shown in the video. And then using multiple colors, we will make the flowers. Take small red balls, join it and fold it. Now, using the toothpick, press it from the between and stick the flowers and it's ready. Next, we will make a cute crab. Stick a round shaped paper, stick its eyes, nose and its mouth. Next, using the yellow paper, stick its claws and the fingers as shown in the video. After that, we will make its legs using yellow sheet. Take a small round yellow papers and fold it and then stick it. Take brown paper to make the sand, draw lines on it, make the plants using the green chart paper. Using white color, draw a small octopus near it and few designs and it's ready. I hope you enjoyed it and liked it. Next, we will make cute umbrella. Take a paper, cut it out, then stick all of them together. Now take a straw and stick it. Fold it from the down and then stick the clouds. Then using cotton buds, make the raindrops and the beautiful umbrella is ready. Thanks for watching.